back to the channel. Whew. It's a cold December day. We're in the Eifel region of Germany. And we're checking out some Roman aqueducts and history. We're specifically heading to the Eifel Aqueduct, which is the aqueduct that supplied Cologne's water. And it starts about 30 miles southwest of Cologne. So that's where we're at right now. We're trying to find the springs and the actual aqueduct because most of it's underground, but there's a few spots where it pops up. And that's where we're going. Wow. What? There it is. All right, we made it. We made it to the top. This is part of the Romer Canal, Wanderweg, the path. Lots of interesting stuff here. But we're at the top. We're gonna go look at the canal now, the aqueduct. So apparently at around 80 BC, the Romans in Cologne ran out of water because their near aqueducts, which were only a few kilometers to the west, ran out of water. So they needed to head to the Eifel region because there's tons of springs up here and they needed more water. So they came up to this region. They built their aqueducts and this is what they look like. So this is original manhole or entryway. And there it is, most of it's underground. Most of the aqueduct is underground because they understood it would freeze in cold temperatures and damage. So the aqueduct was built to be underground, unlike some of the other ones, which you see those giant bridges. Like in France, you see those giant bridges. This one, Germany, cold, need to be underground and insulated. So they've excavated a few areas, and this is one of them. We're near Breitenbenden. Here's what it looks like now. So they've excavated the aqueduct here. As you can see, this is what it looks like. According to the archaeologist, this would have stayed about 1 meter below the ground. And due to the high calcium carbonate content, there's actually calcium buildup on the side of the aqueduct from how long it was used, apparently for hundreds of years. And because of the hard water, the aqueduct has a plaster on the bottom. And if you look there, you have the manhole or entryway, and then you could jump down, do your maintenance, and yeah, clean up everything. So this is the first one we're going to. We're gonna go to 2 or 3 more that require less hiking, although it was an easy hike, and see where this takes us.